Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the leading bank, one of the leading bank, that is ICICI Bank Q4 earnings. The profit, the result page I have projected in front of you friends. Where it many times I have projected the results and the analysis of the chart. I have recommended many times, and today also I am doing same thing. I have recommended through my Telegram channel also those who are joined. So we are able to do the primary analysis and the chart analysis of the ICICI. So the chart analysis we will do after this result analysis. So if you see friends, profit around 4,402 crore profit is we are able to see in this quarter, which is 2.6 multiples of quarter 4 of FY20. So it is a good profit. I am and promising profit if we consider the overall result of the ICICI. Net interest income friends, it is a 16.8% upside we able to see in this quarter, which is approximately 10,431 crore. So this is a good profit and net interest income earned by ICICI Bank, I think, and I am able to see a good momentum in next few years in the ICICI Bank. But if we consider the gross NPA friends, gross NPA is around 18.7% down. That is up, sorry. That is a somewhat bad sign for the ICICI. That is 41,373 crore. Net NPA friends, net NPA is around 88% upside. That is approximately 89%, and gross NPA is up by 60 basis point, and net NPA is around 50 basis points. So somewhat some short-term pressure is getting built in ICICI Bank, but overall I am seeing the good momentum considering the overall profit in the bank in next few years. If we consider the chart, we will check the what are the next important support and resistance to the ICICI chart in next upcoming weeks and years. So we able to see somewhat momentum rally or not, we will check friends. So stay with tune. I'm projecting the chart friends. Put ICICI Bank chart in front of you. The chart which I projected in front of you is a weekly chart friends. Weekly chart I have projected friends. If we consider the time frame, and if you see the chart which I projected, that is forming a wedge shape pattern ICICI Bank respecting in this weekly chart. And if we consider the important level which we able to see in future, there is important support. That is a 540 for the short term purpose. We able to see in the ICICI Bank. If this support is broken by ICICI Bank, then possible the next important support for the long term, that is 435. So 435 is an important support with respect to long term prospective friends. So ICICI Bank is need to support in to this level, that is 435. If you are getting the ICICI Bank at 400 at 435 level, that is good sign of accumulation. The level of accumulation we need to observe that. And if we we consider the resistance, there is important resistance after the touching the 672 high, that is this level. That is considered as important resistance in near future. The 672 is important resistance to the ICICI Bank, and the first important level of resistance, that is a 421-day moving average for the weekly in the weekly chart, that is a 570. So 570 closing above with high volume. 570 closing above with high volume and weekly closing should be there if we want to see the level of 600 plus. So ICICI Bank has to give the closing above 570 on weekly chart. So you should verify that and enter according to that trends if you are short term trader. So I am recommending that buy on dips strategy in this bank always. If you joined in my Telegram, I always recommended the same. So that is an important level as per me. If you consider the MACD, so MACD is currently weekly chart is a bearish crossover. We able to see. We need to enter if we are long term, we are short term player. We need to enter once it gets a bullish sign of crossover. Then only we need to enter if we are short term trader, and otherwise we need to enter for the long term purpose at every support, short term support or long term support zone, if we able to analyze. So friends, if we consider the Bollinger Band, so Bollinger Band confirmation will be we able to see at 670 level.
we need to enter the ICICI Bank for the future and option if we are short term trader and option trader, we need to enter once it close above say 570, and once it close above 650. So 650 is a level of Bollinger Band blast, and first level for the short term entry, that is option entry, is around 580. So this will be a level of entry, sorry, 570. So 570 is 21 day moving average, and Bollinger Band blasting is we need to observe for the short term. So this is overall from my side, friends. And if we able to see, that is a good accumulation by big players in the ICICI Bank if we consider the overall volume. So you check first with your expert, and unless yourself, then only you need to enter get entry in the ICICI Bank, friends. So this is all from my side. So take care, friends, and stay safe, stay happy, stay safe investment. Thank you. Happy trading.